Good afternoon. I just put this video together. I called it Evidence of Life in Raindrops. If you see up here now, this is looking out on my patio doors onto my garden, and each one of these is a raindrop on the outside of the glass. And when you zoom in, you get this, 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 and this. And this one looks like a set of traffic lights. It's 3 raindrops, one above the other. But when you go into this, put it on the big screen, see there I am looking out at you. So there's somebody in there, 2 eyes, and there's a mouth here, nose, 2 eyes. There's somebody else in there. Can't make out anybody in the bottom one, but it's perhaps it's a double-headed alien. I don't know. It's so fascinating what is coming out of this. I say I actually went onto Google after I started doing this, and I tapped in photographing raindrops, and there's an actual video of photographing raindrops. But this guy is actually looking through the raindrop to flowers in his garden. So I had another go with these and aiming it out to the garden. And if you aim it into the trees and turn the camera so the picture goes a bit darker, they become more noticeable. Look at this one. This is the edge of a roof, my neighbour's roof, and there's 4 of them, like 4 songbirds sat on the edge of the roof. And another one here, look. Mum keeping an eye on him. It's totally amazing. Now this, it's my next door neighbour's van, and there's one of these raindrops there. So I went in and altered the colour, and it came out as that. I altered the colour again, came to that, and I did it again. You see it now? You have your 2 eyes, your nose, this is your moustache, and the beard. And the more you look at it, the more you see. I'll come back out now. Coming back out, you look here. There's a beard there, mouth, nose, 2 eyes. There's another face there, and there's some writing. Can't make out what it says. RTHP. Anyway. This one, neighbour's van again. Now this here, this white bit and that black bit, it's a solar light screwed into the top of my fence. As I zoomed in on it, there's a man wrapped around it. Watch it there now. Better. see it hanging on, getting light from the light. Now this one has actually got two faces. You see the two noses? That face is facing that way, and this one is facing this way. In my mind anyway. See this one here now? That's the set of traffic lights. But here, see the mouth, the nose, two eyes, some kind of like a tiger. And also here, there's the top of the head, eye, mouth. Another one there. You can see better there. Like it's with these, it seems to be a smaller. You can actually see it better on a mobile phone than you would on a big telly, because I don't know if it's they're on a different level to us. So when they get so big, you can't. That's why you can't see them in normal. How do you explain this? If you're looking at something, normally you can't see it, but if you go down smaller, you can see it. So this is actually the original photo. It's like the moon looking down with a face on it, and I turned it in editing so that you can see the face better. But we've left it facing now because you could see what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'll leave it to watch the film. Well, what do you think? This is another one up here, like a woman, big hat on. So each one of them seems to be a life form. Fascinating. Okay, over and out.